Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Kyla and I make makeup videos. Today we are talking about the Allure box for the month of September. The Allure box is something that costs you $15 a month. Usually your first month is $10. And you get products that are usually new or trending or just something that won like an Allure Beauty Award. So we are going to jump in here, and even on the front it says Best of Beauty, Allure the Beauty Expert Award winner. Sorry. So, and then in here it'll tell you about everything that's in there. So let's go ahead and pull out the first product. It says the Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness, a brightening facial scrub with sea cap and French green clay, all skin types. Let's see. Oh, it's got a seal. Okay, so we won't open it then. It's got water, aloe, glycerin. Interesting. This like little screwy thing doesn't like to screw on. And the lid. So let's read about that. It says, most exfoliators are too harsh for my sensitive skin and broken capillaries. For this formula, superfine grit doesn't irritate my skin or make it red at all. Just makes me look and feel smoother, and I love the ingredient list. Clay, which calms the skin by pulling gunk out of pores. Walnut shell powder, which exfoliates without being abrasive. And aloe to help soothe. Its scent is really fresh and clean, even though it's kind of shockingly black when it comes out of the tube. It rinses away easily. Retails for $9.99 at Allure.com for the full size. This is a quarter of that, so this is worth $2.50. So far we're not off to a good start for Allure. Allure often does like full-size products or like a ton of products or like really name brand products, but I've never heard of this. And you can enter the code AllureFall19 at checkout to get 25% off your purchase through November 1st. So that's interesting, I guess, but not my personal favorite. So the next thing is a combination of two things, which is Perfect Smooth Shampoo and Perfect Smooth Conditioner from Nature Lab. These are decent sizes to try out. Oftentimes you get like a foil packet in subscription boxes, but these are okay. They're both a fluid ounce, though it looks like there's way more shampoo in here than conditioner, but that's just my opinion. It's supposed to help calm frizz. I guess that's it. And help make it look healthy and shiny. And they retail for $14 each for an 11.5 fluid ounce. So that makes these about $1 a piece. So you're really not getting your values worth so far. But you can go to Amazon.com/NatureLab and enter Allure19 at checkout to receive 15% off your order through December 31st. So far we're not doing great. This has argan stem cell technology. I wonder if that means it has argan oil. I don't see it in the list. It has a different kind of oil. And some butter. I don't know. Hopefully it's not too heavy. But so far, Allure is not off to a good start for the month. I haven't heard of either of those brands. I haven't heard of this one either. It's La Roche-Posay. Lip Care Eczema Soothing Relief Cream with colloidal ointment skin protectant. It's fragrance-free, steroid-free, dermatologist tested. Interesting. That is tiny. That is actually tiny. It's 5 mils. Whereas the full size is 200 mils. So this is really cheap for Allure. It's literally meant for like eczema. But you can use it for like just hydrating. Okay. It retails for $14.99. You can use the code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off your purchase. I don't think that this was a good move for them. Like, this is so small. The full size is 200 mils for $14.99. This is 5 mils. So you know how much of a difference that is? Like, you're not getting any value at all. And it feels like moderately hydrating. I don't know. So far, our value of this box is less than $4. So we're going off to a great start. There's 2 products left. So I hope they're worth a lot. The next product that we're going to talk about is the Ciate Dewy Stick Luminous Highlighting Balm in Gleam. So, well, it says glow, but on here it says gleam. Mine's in the shade glow, so I don't know. This, I think, is a full size. or like a travel size. It says that this highlighter is clear and glitter free, so it gives you a lip from within look in the most natural way possible. It's also foolproof. Just tap it on your cheekbones to achieve a dewy sheen. You can use it on your eyelids too for all of our radiance. It has a golden tint. Interesting. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Retails for $26. So finally something of value. So it does kind of have like a, I don't know how well you guys can see that. It looks kind of Vaseline-y at first. I feel like that would just break my makeup up. I don't know, maybe like you put it on your collarbones to help it glow. Can you guys see that? I don't know. I guess that's okay. Retails for $26, and you can go to COLOURPOP and enter Allure19 at checkout to get 20% off through November 1st. That's like okay, I guess. Not the best for this month so far. There's one product left, which I'm pretty sure I already have. It's not new by any means, and I really wish I had gotten the opposite option for this. Something was on my arm, and now it's getting all red. This is the NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. So it looks like this. I'm pretty sure I have this already. Let me look. I lied, I don't have this one. I was thinking of the Raikugan one. But this one is interesting to say the least. We can swatch it over here. So it's not crazy pigmented like some of their other ones, but it's not an awful shade either. So this is a hit. The other option in this box for this product was the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder, and I really wish I had gotten that one because I really like that product. Whereas this is kind of like, for me. But it does retail for $27. You can get it at Sephora.com. There's no coupon code for this. So, I don't know. I think that this box could have been a lot better. Like, first of all, shampoo and conditioner, that's not going to work for everyone. Not at all. And then a brightening facial scrub, which is okay. This is tiny. And then you have a glow stick. What if you're oily and you don't want to glow? Like, and then a lipstick. So, like, I don't know what they were thinking, but this isn't the best box for Allure at all. I don't know. I just wish that they had done a better job this month. I don't even know, like, yeah, the lipstick's nice, but if you're not going to wear that shade, this is not worth it. Because most of the stuff is worth less than $1. But I don't know. I'm trying to wipe all this off. That being said, thanks for watching, I guess. Like, did you get this box? Did you get something better than I did? Because my products were kind of Let me know down below. Leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more reviews of stuff like this. Okay? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.